How to change line spacing in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your paragraph line spacing and your word line spacing in Google Docs. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay, so here we are. This is my Google Docs and I have some sample content here. So if you want to adjust or change your spacing setting in Google Docs, we need to go in this option called line and paragraph spacing. Okay, so we can adjust the line spacing. So we can have 1.5, 1.5, 1.15 and 50, and you can make the double. Okay, you can just click on double after 1.15 or 50, and line spacing will be increase. Okay, and remove space before paragraph, add space after paragraph, custom spacing, and keep with next line, prevent single line. There is an option you can use, and this is a custom spacing you can use, line spacing or paragraph spacing. So I can use 0.5 in line spacing. You can see it is changes. Okay, so that is how you can change line spacing in Google Docs. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.